Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom, dziś stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Hi guys, welcome, and today's short daily vlog. And I've decided to upgrade the SSD in my computer, and as you know, I use Intel Nuke as a home computer, which is used for a video post-production and then for rendering, cutting, and I work in post-production software. Exactly. I use DaVinci Resolve, and then I have two SSDs. One is M.2 SATA SSD, it's an Intel 8th generation with i7 processor, but it has a M2 slot only for a SATA. It doesn't work with NVMe, so I have one M2 SATA system disk and one 2.5 inch SATA SSD for the storage. And that 2.5 inch, that's 1 terabyte SSD, and that system drive is 1 terabyte SATA M.2. But I've decided to make an upgrade to a 2 terabyte SATA M2 drive. And in a laptop, I use two laptops. I use Dell Latitude 5401 with 1 terabyte NVMe M2, and I'm gonna change it to 2 terabyte NVMe. And this is a computer which is used as a business computer, in a company. And the second 5490 with because in the 5401 we have i7 6-core 9th generation, and in 5490 we use i7 8th generation with 4-core 8 threads, and there's also 1 terabyte NVMe drive, and I'm gonna upgrade it to a 2 terabyte NVMe. In each of these computers, Nuke and both laptops, I have 32 GB of RAM in a 216 GB DDR4 modules. And about the price, so I had to buy two NVMe M2 SSDs and 2 terabytes and one 2 terabyte M2 SATA for a Nuke. Each of them cost me 150 euros, so it's 450 euros for all SSDs. The problem is this is a system disk, not a data disk, so I had to make a clone. I had to buy a M.2 NVMe and SATA compatible enclosure to be able to put NVMe or SATA drive in that one enclosure. Connect on USB. I've used this Genius software, and with this Genius I was able to clone the whole drive from original drive to a new one. And after cloning, second by second cloning, I was able to change it, to remove the original drive from a computer and connect this new drive in that place. So it was a really great thing. 450 euros for a free 2 terabytes each SSDs to upgrade computer to be able to make a post-production during travel. Because before I was only able to make post-production at home, so I had to record everything on the SD cards, go with this home, and at home spend a lot of time to post-production. Now, if there will be any daily vlog, I will make the most vlogs on the travel, and I will make post-production at home. But if there will be some daily vlog, something very important or something I need to do on the travel, I will be able to make post-production of a short videos on a duty on the travel. So it's a great idea. And I spent a lot of time to copy data and install it.
Ty co kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Rządzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj. Nie płaczcie siostry, ducha nie traćcie, uwierzcie w naszą wygraną w walce. Uwierzcie w to, że już niedługo piękniejszy będzie kraj.